Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we will program the smart key for 2025 BMW X3. Now we need to prepare a K518 Pro and a regional car key and a new smart key to be programmed. Okay, let's do it.
Select IMO and remote. Find BMW. Select from type. Select U chassis. Read vehicle info successfully. Now we're making dealer key. Please make sure the network is connected and click OK. Read working key. OK. Welded completed. Now we connect it to the device. Click OK. Enter the file name you want to save. OK. The VIN code is read successfully and click OK. Because the vehicle is a high-end model with UWB function, so it needs to be generated with the genuine OEM key. OK. Connect the new key now. Click OK. Operation successful. Let's try. Can the key drive normally? The new key hits the brake and presses the start button. The new key started successfully. The original key hits the brake and presses the start button. The original car key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. Original car key lock car. Unlock. New key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed the smart key for 2025 BMW X3. See you next time.